This month, every few days, I've been posting a new TikTok Shop affiliate case study of a person starting from scratch in the last 30 to 60 days and actually making between $5,000 and $20,000 or $30,000 in pure profit in the first month.
I switched completely from dropshipping to TikTok Shop AI, and my first month was 75K.
Literally, like, first week, popped off like 40K GMV, like, it's crazy.
I'm at 15K GMV.
These numbers are literally unheard of. And I've been getting the same exact question from everyone on my Instagram for the last month is, what actually happens once I get into your program? How does it work? What can I expect? What's a realistic result? What's unrealistic? How long per day do I have to work? So this is what I'm going to answer in this video. What actually happens in our TikTok Shop affiliate program? Now, the second you join the program with us, you get an onboarding call. It's a one-on-one call with a coach from my team who's basically going to have a 30-minute call and just give you the entire game plan and also check what your situation is in terms of how much time you have, how much budget you have, and if you're flexible to show your face on TikTok or if you purely want to use AI content. Based on these factors, in the call, we're actually going to assign a brand and a product to you. This is something which we've never been able to do ever with dropshipping. In that call, we literally tell you, hey, so here's a really good winning product. Take it. We already pre-negotiated a deal with a brand who has a bunch of stock and never runs out. You can start selling for this brand and get a higher commission because you're working with us. But whatever the case, we literally give you that product. The room for error is not there anymore. All right, we just tell you what is good. That's something which you cannot mess up. We did the same exact thing with Preslav. We connected him with a brand and gave him a product. And in the first few weeks, he made $160,000. Now, this is an extraordinary result. Not everyone will get these types of numbers, but in these first few weeks, he made over $70,000 in pure profit. And this happened because we pre-negotiated a deal where he gets a 50% cut on all the sales he makes.
So on the 100K, because the brand deals your brand offers, I'm literally getting like 50% of it, so 50K.
Now, we did the same exact thing with Sean or Jimmy. We have Preslav here. These are the dashboards he has. We have Sean. He had a 30K week in the beginning. Then he started having 10K days. And by the way, look at the month right here. This is in the last 30 days because we actually started rolling this whole program out only in the last 30 days. And these are the results we've been getting. And the same thing happened to Jimmy as well. He had like a $16,000 day with super high profit margins. And then basically he kept crushing. This all happened with products we gave these guys. We gave them. And if you're watching this video, you probably know me from the whole dropshipping space, and you know how hard it is to even find winning products. Now, after we give you a winning product and connect you with a brand, we also will show you how to get around all the technical bullshit, especially if you don't live in the US. Like, for example, Preslav, you can still make all of this work. There are workarounds, they're annoying, they're a little bit difficult, but in the program, we teach you exactly how to do it, and it's fine. You basically need a 5,000 follower account. It has to be US verified. It's a little bit annoying and tricky to actually get that going, but we have a very clear step-by-step structure on how to do that. Now, once you have that account, you can actually start posting content. We will unlock a video course for you where we show you exactly how to prompt really good videos. We will give you the softwares, the AI tools on how to do it. And then also we're going to give you the prompts that you can use to generate the videos which are converted. There's two main things about these videos. Number one is that they actually look real and you can't really tell that they're AI generated. And number two is that the script is really good and sells. We will show you exactly how to sell, how to script, how to edit, and how to make sure that your videos look non-AI generated. Now, you might look at these videos and playing on screen and you're like, I can tell this is AI. This is not fully real. Well, I get it. And from your perspective, this might not look fully real. But if you show this to your grandma, if you show this to your mother or your dad, 90% of them are not going to notice, all right? And these videos will go out to a little bit of an older audience who doesn't really know what these AI things are. And once you made your first videos, you're going to start sending them into our WhatsApp group chat. There's nobody else in the group chat except for you, me, and all the coaches in my team. Every question you have, just text in there and we look over that and we tell you exactly what to do. It's a literal separate chat for you specifically. And this is how the whole program is structured. For example, here, one of our students, Victor, he asked, if I get a ban in the account and I have two other accounts on the same phone, will the other two accounts actually get affected somehow? All right, very valid question. You don't know the technical thing of what's going to happen. And then a few minutes later, we have Max instantly responding, yes, long term, it will be a problem. But if you get your account suspended, just reset the phone and then log back into the active accounts. All right, that way you prevent all the other accounts also basically getting shut down if only one gets banned. And that's it. And if Victor wouldn't ask this question and Max wouldn't respond with this, then Victor would have messed things up and one ban would have resulted in 10 bans. This is a good example of a very valid and relevant question over here. And you're going to be able to ask these daily. On top of this, you will also get 2 weekly one-on-one calls with our coaches in the team. It's going to be a Zoom call where we just look at every single video you do and we look at the scripts, we look at the reasons why something's not working, if you're not going viral, whatever it is. We just look over every problem you have and we make sure that we solve it. Every single person you're going to have a call with made hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars with TikTok Shop and affiliate. In our group chat, we have different coaches for different problems. If you have a Facebook ads question, or how do I build a store in dropshipping question, or how do I prompt, basically we cover it all. And there's one guy who's extremely good at all the technical things and all the technical problems you're going to face. They're super, super deep in that. And then we have somebody like Pepe, who's just super high level at scripting videos, and he's going to be able to help you better with that. And I basically build this team to make sure that every single problem you could ever have has an expert to cover your problem. Now, once you start going viral with your accounts, we go to the next step, which is outsourcing. Once you start making money with this whole thing, you have to learn how to outsource. And we're fully going to teach you how to do that, either with VAs or people you know, or we're going to be able to send you people. We're going to make sure that you actually have employees who are going to be able to do things for you, and you just triple or quadruple your output. We have Eddie, for example, who is able to post 40 times per day because he has over 10 people working for him. He has so much volume just going out every single day, and these are super high quality videos that it doesn't matter what he does on a day-to-day, somebody in this day will still go viral, and it's super fine, even if he doesn't work. And this is exactly the way how he made over $1 million with TikTok Shop Affiliate. But in my opinion, TikTok Shop Affiliate is just a leeway to actually start with TikTok Shop and building your own brand. So the only problem building your own TikTok Shop brand is cash flow. You need to buy in bulk, you have to have inventory, you have to make sure that you don't sell out, and you have to have a lot of money to be able to afford the cash flow of a TikTok Shop business. If you're not an affiliate, things change instantly. And this is what stage 3 is. If you have at least $100,000 in the bank, you also have a few employees who started posting for you, we get to the seller side of the program. We, for example, have Pepe, who hit 15K days in his very first month of getting our creators from the program onto his shop. We have Costify, who already crossed over $300,000 with his shop in the last 3 months. And then exactly 1 month ago, we onboarded one more brand, which I'm not able to reveal here, but they already were an established brand, they did well. And if you take a look here, this is when we started working with them, all right? And we added $500,000 in the very first month by just adding a few creators onto their brand. Clearly, this whole thing works. And the reason for that is we have an infinite amount of creators who are extremely good. If, for example, if you join the program right now, you become a creator and you need a brand to work with. In a month or two, you're going to become really good at making good content. And then you're going to take these really good videos and you're going to make them for a brand who basically is a 50-50 partner with you. You get the commissions and they have to pay all the inventory and keep around the same profit as you do. If you get 30% and they get 70%, in reality, they only get 30% because all the rest was paid for inventory. And you're basically 50-50 partners. And this is why this whole structure works so well. Every single brand starting with us crushes. And every single affiliate gets the best brands because we pre-negotiate everything with the brands to make sure that the affiliates actually get paid well. And we also only work with brands that actually have really good products that are easy to go viral with, especially using AI. And this is the beauty of this whole system. You start out as a beginner, you become really good at videos, you start hiring people, and they start making a bunch of videos for you, and then you have crazy volume and crazy output every single day. And then once you build up 50 to 100K in the bank, you start actually building your own brand. And this is exactly what our program is. If you have any questions about it, it. If you want to know specifics or details, you can DM me on Instagram, Michael_Bernstein. And if you don't have any other questions and just want to get started, click the link below, sign up for a free consultation session. We're going to take a look at your situation. We're going to see if it's a good fit. And if everything works out, we're going to start working with you and basically instantly give you a product, connect you with a brand, and get you into the entire process. Click the link below, and I will talk to you very soon.